What is the coldest temperature you can run your catch can before creating back pressure? Looking to get one for my Mark 6R. Generally, if if you're if you live in an area where you get below freezing wherever your car is parked, we don't get that in California. Even we do get some nights where it goes,
Yeah, you'll get it up in like the mountains and stuff, but yeah, not.
yeah, but it's not enough to really freeze the engine solid through. And then by the time the morning comes, things are warming up. And but if you're in an area of the country where like your car could be subject to 10 degrees or lower, and your car just really freezes up, what's going to happen is all the water inside your engine, and you have quite a bit, is going to freeze. And this is water in the air, condensation from different temperature surfaces inside the engine when you start it. So when you start your engine, your block is freezing cold, but the air inside the block begins to heat up rapidly. This results in condensation of water. That water eventually makes its way into the breather system, and that whole thing is going to freeze up. The catch can, since it's separate from the motor and sits apart from it, will freeze up. And if you have a lot of water or condensation inside your catch can or the lines, then they can block up. This is why we typically recommend in regions like that to just remove the catch can system in the winter, since you're not really driving the car under load and you don't really need it. You can remove it and then put it back in when things warm up. But this is definitely an issue where it gets really cold. And if you have your car in a heated garage in the winter, you're fine. You're not gonna have a problem just driving around or parking briefly outside or something like that. Also, the longer driving events you do, the better. The more everything heats up into the engine compartment. It's those short drives in the winter. If you're just driving 5 minutes here or there, that really cause those problems.
And that's more of a problem also in more ways than that. You can get condensation and whatnot, and fuel systems and whatnot. That is certainly a thing if you're in super cold climates.
Yeah.